thumbnail. Love that.
Ride or die. I keep way on my side. CJ Ike, now I gotta ride or die.
This is what I have planned for today. I'm going to charge the battery. Oh, I am now. And I've managed to pick up a set of headlights, some rear lights and another Chargespeed rear bumper. The reason why I went for this one is because it's been professionally fitted at a body shop, whereas mine hasn't, which I'll show you. So it got gapping issues. This side's the worst, doesn't even meet there. Generally the build of this one is pretty poor, which is weird because it's from the same company. But they do recommend to have them professionally fitted at their own place. So it's going to be easier to take this one off and put the other one on. So there's another issue, that's actually bolted up. So it doesn't meet there. Even round the lights, even pokes out here because that pushes it out. And the worst thing is then it's got all this cracking across it. So for the amount of work this one's going to take, it would just be a lot easier just to put the other one on, and then when I come to wrap the car, it doesn't matter that it's black underneath anyway. Okay, what I'm going to do next is take off all my lights and put it on the new bumper. Even down to the mounting bracket was about a centimetre off, so I had to cut off my old rear bumper mounts and put it on there, so you can see the difference because that didn't butt up to the car. But you can really tell the differences on this one compared to the one that I've bought. Even down to here, the mounting holes for the rear lights. So on these ones it's got these ready made on it already, whether they've done that at the body shop or what, I don't know, but this one just feels a lot better than the one I've got. they fit so much better. So I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to the camera. Shouldn't be out in the sun, you ginger. All my lights are changed over. These are LED ones and so are the number plate ones. So now I'm just gonna fit the bumper and see how good it looks. Hopefully good anyway. Lights that I've got. Ordered these from America. I'm hoping they look good on the car. So when I bought these lights in, I think it's this bottom one here that goes there, and then once I can put that in, I can hopefully lift the bumper and it will line better. Ignore the bodywork, just use your imagination on that one, but the lines and the gaps are so much better on this one. So that's the light from America, bit of a gap underneath, but I think that's down to the light, not the bumper. And then that's the standard LED lights at the back, so the gap isn't as bad. I'm more than happy with that. That's a lot better. I think I'm going to go for these lights. So much better. So much better. Loving that back end. Love that.
Ride or die. I keep well on my side. CJ Ike. Now I gotta ride or die.